My name is Andrea Aranda, and this is my persuasive speech for public speaking, the downsides of AI data centers. Imagine building a building twice the size of several football fields that consumes more energy than entire towns and uses millions of gallons of water per day, that is constantly humming throughout the day and throughout the night. That is not a future we have to worry about, as we are already living in it. Today I will be covering 3 main points of why data AI centers are so bad for the environment: the amount of electricity that they use, the water consumption, and the noise pollution that they are letting out. AI data centers are so bad for the environment in many different ways. In the wake of promising to bring in job opportunities for people, they are polluting the environment, they are causing droughts, and they're using a significant portion of the national electricity grid, according to the University of Chicago. A large data center can use up to triple the amount of what 650 million people use annually. This is bad as it has primarily been affecting low-income families, as their electricity will constantly flicker and sometimes not even turn on at all. And with the expansion of data centers across the nation and how quickly they're being built, this issue will only spread into bigger cities as time goes on. Data AI centers need millions of gallons of water in order just to stay cool, because they are never shut off, and because of the electricity that they also use heats them up. And in order for them to stay efficient, a large data AI center can use the same amount of water that a city with 50,000 people use daily, according to the EESI, the Environmental and Energy Study Institute. These data AI centers threaten our fresh water supply, as data developers will dig underground to find primarily freshwater aquifers and use them to keep their facilities cool, at the same time polluting them and not caring. This has also impacted smaller cities where data AI centers are located, as they will take their water, leaving them with low water pressure, higher water bills, and because they're using so much in such small towns, leaving smaller towns in droughts. Not only are they leaving them in droughts, but because of how hot these data AI centers get, not only do they consume so much water in order to stay cool, but they also have an array of machinery in order to help themselves stay cool as well. The problem is that because they're running all day, the noise never stops. And this is a problem because people in residential AI data center communities have complained about the constant noise, causing them vertigo, headaches, sleep disturbances, and even ear pain. And because most city ordinances were written to cite noisy neighbors or loud house parties, many of their complaints of these data AI centers often go unnoticed, leading to frustration, according to the EESI. It is important to note that most people don't often complain about how loud the noise is, but rather the consistency of it, that no matter what they do to their homes or what they do to themselves, like wearing headphones or noise canceling devices, they can always hear it. It just never stops. In conclusion, data AI centers can help us lead humanity into a intelligent future, but not before causing irreparable harm to the environment. We have to find a better way to reduce the consumption of energy, of electricity, of water, of all these natural resources. A world full of beauty will be destroyed if political policies are allowed limitless consumption of Earth's resources. Go and check.